run, see what the car can do. Hopefully TRS can do a good time. Another day for I-30Ns and all that, but yeah, we've got Polos all everywhere.
When I'm in the streets, DSG farts, then you see me breeze. Automatic DSG farts, it's a new thing.
What's good everyone, it's DSG Panther here. Today this is going to be part 1 of basically a road trip in my car. So I've got everyone coming out today. We're going to be going to Caffeine and Machines. I'm also going to be visiting TRS. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. I'm at the services right now. I've just got some Mackies. I'm waiting for Ben to turn up in his Polo GTI. And then he'll think it's stage 3 IS20. And then after that, we're going to get on our way all the way to meet some other boys. And then from there, another boy. And then we're going to Caffeine and Machine, which is a massive Polo meet there today. So without further ado, let's get into it. You can see I'm all ready. I've got MSB on the screen. Got my Mackies. Yeah, we're just chilling. We're waiting for Ben. He should be here in a minute. So yeah, hopefully he doesn't take too long. But yeah, let's see when we get here. Now at the services, we've literally just got here, and then after we've been here, we're going to go all the way down to Caffeine and Machine. It shouldn't be that long, it's about an hour drive, but yeah, everyone's cars are here. You'll see in the cinematics in a minute. But yeah, from here we're going to head up to Caffeine and Machine, which is like an hour-ish drive, and then yeah, I'll show you all the Polos that are there. Without further ado, let's get back on the road and let's see what it's like. Alright guys, we are now at Caffeine and Machine, and literally as you can see, everyone's cars, oh here you got mine, got Ethan's, Lewis's, Jack and Ben's, everyone's cars are now here. We're actually parked all the way at the top, and everything is all down there. So yeah, got mine, everyone's cars all lined up. There's more Polos coming, so you will see that in a bit. But yeah, let's walk around, see what other cars are here, and yeah, let's have a good time. But yeah, probably gonna get some food, have a look what else is here, because there's some mad cars all the way down there, and there's more Polos turning up later as well. And obviously we're going TRS later as well. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when we're looking around. So we got my dream car, RS3. Let's have a look at it. Looks fat though. Oh, hey, look at the induction kit though. Oh, look at that, is sick.
Look at the fucking
the brakes.
Look at the size.
Holy, look at the size of the brakes on that. Oh, that is mad. You got, it's got a pan roof as well. It's got pan roof on the top.
You're gonna buy this exact one.
This is.
You're gonna buy this exact one.
This is just sexual on a whole nother level. This is what I want. It's actually clean. Oh my god.
I'm baffled.
100%. This is the next car. Ethan knows that. This is next car. 100%. Guys, I think this is the biggest brakes you've ever seen. Holy crap. That's actually the biggest caliper I've ever seen in my life.
The wheels are bigger than our fronts.
Oh my, look at the size of them. That is fat. That's got to be the biggest.
Why is it hand coop?
Oi.
That's the size exhaust.
Carbon fibre on the back.
RS6, bruv.
Look at that.
Why is it
Literally like mine. That is sick. RS6. Alright, so we've also got an S3, which is looking fat with a diamond plate on it. I know it's not really Polo related, but these are all next cars that have potential wants. Now this one's looking clean as well. Got ABT sticker on it. Yeah, this could potentially be next car. So I'm with Ethan. We're just going to walk around and have a look at some of the Polos that have turned up, as I showed you some of them other cars back there. But yeah, we're going to have a look at the other Polos that have turned up, because I can't lie, there's too many to count. This one, white one, there's another white one, another, it's not even a GTI, is it? R-Line. We've got another GTI. A lot of these are quite stock though, but I still rate them. We've got another GTI with the optional extra wheels. Interesting. Wait, look at the wheels on this. They're Japan Racings, I think.
They're JR11s.
Yeah, they're Japan ones, aren't they?
I think they're 11.
They look nice. Look at them.
Oh,
guys, what are you ranking them in bronze?
His steering wheel as well.
Oh, what's he done to the steering wheel? Oh, mad. The size of them paddles. Jesus. Them paddles are bigger than my future, boy.
Yeah, they're JR11s.
Yeah, mad. But no, we've got Eco Tune there. Big up Eco Tune. Every time. Yeah, we've got S3, not really part of it, but Polo, another one. It's AW, innit? These are AWs now.
Yeah.
2 AWs, another Polo. Let's do so many sick bruv. Hey, look at the purple. Hey, how many likes on this video for me to go and wrap my car in purple? I think we should do it, I can't lie. How many likes should we say? Got another red one. That is cold. Don't even know what he's done to that, but that looks mad. Blue one. I rate the blue. Blue looks cold. Yeah.
There's 2 blue ones.
Is there?
That's the only GTI.
Brown Polo. I rate that. That's clean with the bumper as well. WRC? No, it's not WRC.
No,
I don't even know what that is.
R-Line one, isn't it?
Another polo. So many polos. More polos. They're the wheels you like, the rotiforms.
They're nice,
And the rotiforms. And there's also like another day for i30Ns and all that, but yeah, we've got polos all everywhere. People, we're now leaving Cafe in the Machine. We're going to go TRS. I'll let you guys know when once there, but yeah, we're going to convoy down to TRS.
Right, Jack, let's go.
Radios, let's get into it.
Thank you very much for coming.
Cheers, thank you.
Trying to keep the red slow on the exit.
It's hard because it's straight piped, but I'll try.
Yeah, I know, what?
I'll try.
Jack, speak up when you do.
Left. Alright guys, so we've just been to TRS and we've just had the up-in camping pressure done, and then obviously we've got proper stage 2 coming very soon. But yeah, so now heading to the hotel. It's been sick down here. Thank you to everyone at TRS. But yeah, without further ado, let's head on our way down to Rugby, I think it is. Then yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so you just saw we have just been to TRS, and yeah, so they actually upped the clamping pressure on my car just to ensure that the clutch will be fine for the map, and we also will be going a full-on stage 2 with them very soon, so I just wanted to make sure that the clamping pressure was all good for that map as well. But yeah, so right now we are on the way to the hotel. We're going to check in, get some food, and then see what tonight brings us, and then obviously part 2 will be tomorrow, which will be GTI Fest, so you guys will get to enjoy that video as well. So yeah, I'm almost at the end of this part, but I don't want to end it yet. We'll see what else happens tonight. We've got a couple more people coming with us to the hotel as well. At the moment we've just got 2 of us, well 3 of us technically, but yeah, so I will catch you guys once we're at the hotel, once we're checked in, once I'm in my room, once we're all in our rooms, and yeah, then I'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. I just realised I swore at you. Hey, what's good everyone, we are now back. We're literally at the hotel now, so we're just going to check in and then we're going to chill, get some Nando's, and then tomorrow will be part 2 of the Polo road trip, which then will be Santa Pods. Tomorrow's Santa Pods, it's going to be a long video probably tomorrow. It's going to be a long day, so it'll be a good day tomorrow. And obviously Monday, then we actually do have we'll be going to some other event as well, so it'll be good. Monday will be Cadwell Park, which is going to be a race circuit, which is also for another event, so I'll see you guys there as well. And that will be part 3, and that will be the end of the trip. But yeah, so I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Please like and subscribe. We've got Ben's car here. Jacob's gone to pick up an IS38 for his car. Too much money, bruv. But yeah, so I'm going to end the video here. Thank you to everyone that did come to Cafe in the Machine. It was great to see all of you, and then tomorrow we're going to meet some more people as well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in part 2, which will be next Sunday. Peace.
Don't stop.